Road, rail, aviation and ports. 4 separate modes of transport. But together, they provide the key to successful economic growth and social development in the UK. That's why the Chartered Institution of Highways and Transportation, CIHT, the leading institution in highways and transportation, wants government to create a national transport strategy. It would cover the strategic and local level for different modes, and crucially, set out how they integrate with one another. Such a coordinated approach is already in place in the devolved nations, and the benefits they are seeing should be mirrored at a UK level. The UK has enjoyed high levels of capital investment in transport in recent years. CIHT believes a long-term commitment to funding and whole-life costings of transport infrastructure are required for investment certainty, including in skills, to create the transport network the UK requires now and for the future. Skills development is a concern, with an ageing workforce and too few graduates entering the industry. Government must work with the industry to help attract and retain young professionals, and with further and higher education bodies to incentivise young people to pursue careers in engineering and transportation. The ability of the transport network to withstand or recover from disruptions, such as those caused by extreme weather in recent years, is also key. Resilience assessments should be statutory to help identify vulnerable areas and, in turn, put in place plans to mitigate and avoid disruption. A joined-up approach to transport and planning is needed. The current lack of integration will lead to the development of isolated and unconnected communities, poorly serviced by transport networks. Instead, it needs to ensure developments are sited so as to minimise the need to travel and to prioritise walking, cycling and public transport when it's needed. It is only when transport links are lost due to snowfall or flooding that their importance is apparent. CIHT believes more needs to be done to recognise the wider benefits transport plays in people's health and well-being, and the role it has to play in tackling some of our big societal challenges, such as obesity, the ageing population, and social exclusion. A UK national transport strategy is not just a must for transport, it's a must for a strong economy and a cohesive society.